Okay, good morning class.
Good morning, sir.
So we, at this point you guys have gotten your scripts back. And now we're going to look at the memo quickly, okay? Starting from number 1. So the cycle test 2, term 2, 2023. There was a couple of instructions and information there. We don't need this for this purpose. But here we are told in the diagram below, AB is parallel to CD. We also told that BAC is 78 degrees. And we also told that DCE is 34 degrees. The question is calculate with reason the value of X, Y, and Z. Question X, Y, and Z. So this is question 1.1. Align the board. Okay. So firstly we can calculate X, as you can see this. Corresponding angles. Not so? So that angle will be equal to that angle there. So we're going to say that X is equal to 34 degrees because of corresponding angles with DC being parallel to AB. Okay, so that's 34 degrees there. Then we can calculate Y. As you can see, we have alternate angles there. So Y is equal to 78. Why? Because of alternate angles with DC being parallel to AB. 378. Now to calculate Z is going to be one of two. It's either the sum of triangles or angles in a straight line. So Z plus 78 degrees plus 34 is equal to 180. We've got angles in a straight line. So Z works out to be 68 degrees. Okay, you guys understand? Let's look at number 2, 1.2. In question 1.2 we are told that in the diagram triangle ABC is drawn with ST being parallel to AB. Okay? Then we are told that angle C1 is 10x, C2 is Y, S1 is 78, T1 is 4x, and angle A is of course Z. The question says calculate with reason the values of A, B, calculate the values of X, Y, and Z. So, looking at X, I can calculate X at this point. We know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposites. Can you see that, people? So we're going to say that 10x is equal to 78 plus 4x. That's exterior angle of triangle, dot, 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 and its triangle STC. Take that over, it becomes 10x minus 4x, which is 6x is equal to 78. X then works out to be 78 divided by 6, which is?
13.
Yeah? 13 degrees. So that angle of course is 130, that angle is 4 times 13, which is 50 something, 54, no? And so on. Then we need to calculate the value of y. So we can go with angles on a straight line. So you're going to say 10x, which is 10 times 13, plus y is equal to 180. Why? It's angles on a straight line. So y is equal to 180 minus 130, which is 50 degrees. People populate your diagram, so you know what we have. Okay. Then of course Z, we have corresponding angles there. Can you see that, people? So Z is equal to 78. Reason? Corresponding angles with AB being parallel to ST. Okay. Let's carry on. Looking at exercise, question 2, 2.1. We are given that PQS is 90 degrees. QR is equal to SR. And we told that PQ is parallel to AR. Prove that AQ is equal to QS. So AQ is equal to AS, sorry, not QS. AS. Okay. So we would need to prove congruency. Okay, because there's no other way that we can prove that those two lengths are equal. Okay. So for congruency, there's four questions of congruency: side, 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 angle, side, angle, angle, side, and RHS. I think we're going to use RHS in this case. But let's see. Firstly, how we start congruency? We say in triangle QRA, and triangle is RA. What can we say about those two triangles? Firstly, QR is equal to RS. Why? Is given. We know that AR is a common side. You must either say common side or common angle. Why do you say common? Okay. Then thirdly, we need to say then, as you can see, those lines are parallel, so that angle is also 90. Not so. So QAR is equal to 90 degrees. Why? So alternate angles with PQ being parallel to AR. However, P, or is it S? S AR is also equal to 90. Why? Straight line. Can you see the angles on the straight line? So therefore, QAR is equal to SAR, which is equal to 90. Not so? So now we have the 90 degrees and we have the hypotenuse and the side. Not so? So therefore, triangle QRA, there you go, QRA, and then we must say SRA, which the order we got initially. Therefore, triangle QRA is congruent to triangle SRA. Why? RHS. People, if two triangles are congruent, that means to say the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles are equal. Okay. So from there I can conclude, therefore, PQ. Oh yes, sorry, I'm looking up top. AQ is equal to AS. Not so. So therefore, AQ or QA is equal to SA. Why? Because triangle QRA is congruent to triangle SRA. Okay. So a good couple of marks there, né? 5 marks. Okay, so in the description box below you'll find the link to the question paper and the memo as well. Okay. People, we are told this is 2.2 now. The diagonals of a rhombus. People, what do you know about diagonals of a rhombus? Diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. They bisect each other. They bisect the vertex angles. Okay. Right. So the question says that the angles of a rhombus PQRS intersect at T. So of course this is not 90 as indicated. Né? Then S1 is 2x. Then S2 is also 2x. Not so. And so on. Then we are told that P1 is 3x minus 20. So this is also going to be 3x plus 20 if needed. This is in our minds. Yes, people, if you got that, these 90, you can solve for x. Not so? Yes, sir. Right. Now what we all the question says, calculate the value for x. Imagine, I can't help that these sums are so easy. People, T4 is equal to 90y. Diagonals, perpendicular in rhombus. Right. Then we're going to say that P2 is equal to 3x plus 20y. Diagonals bisect the vertex angle in rhombus. So it's 3x plus 20 here. So what can I say? 3x plus 20 plus 90 plus 2x equals 180y. Sum of triangles in this triangle. PTS. Do I have to say name the triangle? Do I have to say the spot? No. Okay. But it will be nice of you if you do. So 5x is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 minus 20 is 70. Is that correct? So x works out to be 1 carry 2 4. 14 degrees. Do you guys understand? Right, the girl in front of Converse. Why are you talking? Give her a round of applause. So how much out of 6 marks did you get? None?
No sir. I got it right, but I didn't do the next step. I put the steps around the answers.
So you got the full marks?
Yeah.
Of course not. You can't get the full marks if you left out anything. Okay. Unless you just get 0. No? No. Out of 6, how much did you get?
I got 2.
Okay. You see, that confirms people that geometry is not only about getting the answer right. No? It's about your layout of your work as well, your argument. Okay? People, we are told that PQR is a rhombus. PQR is, people, if this is a rhombus, what do we know? Many things. We know 6 things. What do we know? All sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. The angles bisect each other. The angles bisect the vertex angle. The angles are perpendicular. All of those things we know. Okay. Then we are told that with the angles PQ and R is intersecting at M, which is the which is M. Okay. The perimeter of the rhombus is 40. So that the perimeter is going to be 40 people. If the perimeter is 40, they ask you to calculate LM. So if the perimeter is 40, what do we know? The perimeter is 40, what do we know? All sides are equal? So if the perimeter is 40, we know that PQ is equal to QR, which is equal to RS, which is equal to SP. Why? Which is equal to 10. No? All sides equal in rhombus. Okay. So that is 10 now, no? But I want you to calculate LM. But what you notice about LM is in that triangle PS R. So somewhere or other I'm seeing that PL is equal to LS. Midpoint theorem somewhere. Not so common too? Right? So what can we say? We can say that LP is equal to LSY. Given. Right. Then PM is equal to MR. Why is PM equal to MR? Diagonals bisect each other in rhombus. Not so. Therefore, LM is going to be a half of SR. Not so. And why is that the case? It's the midpoint theorem. Okay. So easy, no? I can't help that maths is so easy. People, 3.2. In question 3.2, we are told that PQ is equal to SR. Without going any further, what is coming to mind already looking at this diagram? Midpoint theorem. Then we are told that SR is parallel to ST and PR is 10. PR is 10. This is question 3.2. Calculate the value of RT for 2 marks. People, RT is definitely equal to 10. Why? The converse of midpoint theorem. Okay, that's 2 mark giveaway, no? I'm upset to give you so much, make it so easy for you, no? People, question 4.1. Solve for theta correct to one decimal place where theta is between 0 and 90, which means to say in the first quadrant, or acute. So where do I go with 4.1.1? Say tan of theta is equal to 2,01. So arctan of 2,01. 2,01. So shift tan 2,01 gives us an answer of 63,5. 63,5. You all okay with that? Let's look at 4.1.2. You got 5 cos theta plus 2 equals 4. Where do I start? You. Let's take that over. So 5 cos theta is equal to 2. Now we divide by 5. So cos theta is equal to 2 over 5. Now what do I do? You take arc cos. So theta is equal to arc cos 2 over 5. You put in our calculator, shift cos. Shift cos. Shift cos. No, 2 over 5. Gives us 66,4. Is that correct? What's happening here now? $66.2 degrees. Did it say it's 4? Yep. 66.4. Sorry about that. You're absolutely correct. Next. Okay, don't speak about other subjects here. I feel bad. Yeah, you're talking about English. What's wrong with you? Right? In question 4.2 we are told, in the diagram below, ABC, ACD, ADE are right angle triangles. Angle BAE is 90 degrees and BAC is 30 degrees. BC is 20 and AD is 60. Okay, relax. Does this finish up? The length of AC. So AC is this length here, not so. So you should see a triangle looking like this. There's 20, BCA, 30 degrees. So which trigonometric function is opposite in our hypotenuse? Sine. So sine of 30 equals opposite over AC. It's over 1 across multiply. So it will be AC sine 30 is equal to 20. So AC is equal to 20 over sine 30. Give you an answer of 40 degrees. Correct?
Yes, sir.
40 units, whatever. No? Let's look at number 2. Number 2, they want you to calculate angle CAD. CAD, this angle here. So you should see a triangle like this now. is 90, that is CDA. This is the angle they want you to work out, but you got AC, which is 40, and that is 60. Not so. Which trigonometric function is adjacent and hypotenuse? Cos. So cos of DAC is equal to adjacent, which is 40 over 60. So DAC is equal to R cos of 40 over 60. R cos of 40 over 60. 48 comma 2. Okay. Yes. Sorry? CAD. What's wrong? Got that. Okay. You can show me at the end. Let's go to the next question. How far are we from done? Almost done, eh? So give me 5 minutes, no? Now. So in the diagram we are told that P, which is x and 5, OP is 13. Answer the question without using a calculator. So firstly, to calculate x, I'm going to complete the triangle. That's x and a y. So x and y is your 5 then. So I've got 13 squared is equal to x squared plus 5 squared. So that's going to give you 169 minus 25 is x squared. So x squared is equal to 144. Give me an answer of 12. Let's look at the second question. Now they want you to work out sine squared x or theta or alpha is plus cos squared alpha. What does sine stand for? Opposite over hypotenuse. Squared plus adjacent over hypotenuse squared. So give me an answer of 1. Okay. Let's go quickly in the next one. Determine the value by using a calculator. Write down the article into 2 decimal places. Here you got cosec. So cosec is 1 over sine, not so. Of 112,4 plus 48,6. They give you an answer of 3,0? 7. Okay, the next one. Is that it? Huh? 4.5. So there's only one question for 4.4. So here we need the special triangle. So that's 30. 1, 2, root 3, 60 lies here. Cos of 30 is adjacent, which is root 3 over 2 over hypotenuse, divided by sine of 60 is root 3 over 2, which is 1. Okay, it's a bonus question. Okay, so the length of the diagonals of a square, the length of the diagonal of the square is D. Determine the area of the square. So we know the area is equal to side times side, not so. So I need to know what the side of this is, not so. Now that is 90 degrees. So I can apply Pythagoras. So diagonal squared is equal to side squared plus side squared, which is 2 side squared. So that's d squared divided by 2. So side squared is equal to d squared over 2. Get rid of the square, so the length of the side is the square root of d over 2 squared. You could have simplified it as d over the root of 2. But the question was for the area, so it's going to be side times side squared, which is equal to the square root of d squared over 2 all squared. Which gives you an answer, d squared over. Is that correct? Right, people, enjoy the rest of your day and your weekend. Good afternoon, class.